Realme is developing the Realme GT 2 Pro. A new smartphone. Realme GT 2 Pro is expected to be released on January 4, 2022. Let's talk about the specification. This phone is equipped with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, which is the most powerful chipset available, in order to provide more power to the device. In addition, the smartphone has a 6.7-inch 2K LTPO AMOLED display that offers Full HD plus a resolution of 1440 x 3216 pixels. This phone has a RAM capacity of 12 GB. The Realme GT 2 Pro internal storage space is 512 GB, which is sufficient for storing a large amount of data for future usage. This phone has a triple camera setup at rear 50 megapixels primary camera plus 50 megapixels ultra-wide lens and a 2 megapixels telephoto snapper. The device will be powered by a 5000 mAh battery with support for 65-watt ultra-fast charging. This phone is running on Android 12 operating system. Additionally, this smartphone has also include these feature support, which is Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 6, 120 Hz display, USB Type-C. What do you think about this phone? Let's comments below and don't forget like, share, comments and subscribe my channel.